Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this toolbox opening mechanism in Solidworks. So let's start. First click on the assembly, click OK. After that go here, click on insert components, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl+8 for normal skin to the view. Now we are going to draw first the base of it. So draw the base as per your requirement. In my case it is 400 by 200 mm. Now click on extrude feature, 3 mm. Okay. After that, select this face and click on sketch. Click on covered entities. Go to extrude features, extrude it. Select the thickness feature to 3 mm and extrude up to 200 mm. Sorry, my bad. This is 200. And click on direction 2 and up to surface. Select the surface. Click OK. So this is basically my part 1. So exit this addition component mode. Select this, press F2 and give it name base. After that, select this part. Go to edit component, select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8. Now we are going to draw some two holes. Okay, so let's make some holes. The diameter is 5 mm, 5 mm, and distance from here to here is 45 mm. $70 mm. Or let's increase distance to 100 mm. Okay, after that press escape, select these 2 points, make it horizontal, click OK and draw a center line like this. Mirror entities, select these sketches, mirror about this line, click OK and extrude cut through all, click OK, exit. After that, exit this assembly component mode, click on here, click on new part, select the front plane. Now we are going to draw first a simple box. So click on here, click on rectangle, select this midpoint and make it 200 mm as well. Press Ctrl Z. First select distance from here to here for smart dimensions. 203 mm. Okay, and this, sorry for the noise, 203 mm, and this one is also going to be 203 mm. After that, click on features, extrude, offset 100, 3, click OK. We are going to make rest of the part later onwards, but main thing is dimensioning the sketch, because that is the main problem we are going to face. Okay, so select this face, press Ctrl+8. So I need to make some two holes again. So click on here, sketch. So make the sketches I'm showing, and this time we have to make 3 circles instead of 2. So each of them is 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm. Distance between them is 50, and in between them is, let's say, 50 as well. And distance from here to here is 120 203 divided by 2, 105. Go to his standard dimensions. Draw the line like this. Select this line, make it fixed. Go to smart dimensions, select this line and give it angle of 60 degree. Escape. Select this point, move it to here and okay. Now if you remember correctly, this one is also 50 mm. Let's just for sake of it is 45. Oh, okay, it is 45. Okay, so I need to change this one 45 because if the distance is not same, I will face issues later onwards. So I need to make sure. So now go to the features, click on Extrude Cut through all. Click OK. After that, we are going to make another part. First, exit the assembly component mode. Click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, select this one, select the center of it and center of this one. Draw a circle like this. And go to the features, click on Toolbox base, 3 mm, click OK. Now exit the assembly component mode. Now press Ctrl and right click on your mouse, drag it. Drag these two part to front. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. So now go to the mates. Select this one and this face. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay, cancel it. So right click on it, click this one to be fixed because this part is not going to move. So select this face and this face. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. Select this face and this face. Okay. And last one. Okay. Now let's see it is working or not properly, because if it is not working then we are going to change our dimensions. Okay, so simply select this part and drag it. As you can see, when while opening, it looks fine. Okay, it's not that bad. As you can see, it is it's okay. It's not bad or good either. It's fine. I am fine with it. Now what we need to do is we need to modify this part. So select this part, click on add components. So select this select the base of the component, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. So we are going to first draw a base. Select this face and make sure that your no external reference is checked on, else you will face problem later onwards, so be aware from it. So click on extrude 3 mm. Okay, that's what we want. After that, select this face, click on sketch, select this by pressing Ctrl and select this one by pressing Ctrl, click on convert entities. Now click on features, thickness is 3 mm and extrusion is 200 mm. 203, sorry, my bad. Uh, this part, right? Right click on it, click on edit, click on reverse direction, click OK. Right click on it, reverse direction, thickness will be inside from inside, and it is 203 mm. Click OK, and there are no holes here. So select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. What you need to do is, instead of doing hard work, by pressing Ctrl, select these three holes, click on convert entities, go to features, click on extrude cut through hole. Just in case if you are wondering how I find these, dimension of these, for what are the dimensions and what this mechanism is called. This mechanism is called four bar mechanism. If you want to do further studies, I highly recommend read four bar mechanism in your textbooks in theory of machines. Highly recommend. It's a very important subject, and if you are making mechanism, any kind of mechanism in mechanical, you need to know what is four bar mechanism, or I guess it is called Kirchhoff. I mean, Kirchhoff, not Kirchhoff. It is some form of mechanism theory. Read it, you will find it. I don't currently remember the name, but I know how to solve the numerically and theoretically. Okay, that's how I find this figure out. As you can see, these two can rotate 360 degree. Okay, uh, these two things can rotate 360 degree. So this is called crank mechanism. Okay, so I highly recommend, please go throughout your books and read what is a four bar mechanism, what are different kind of mechanism you can make with four bars, because they are the very basic things that you need to know. And I also use a lot of time whenever you see a mechanism in my on my YouTube channels, because without them I can't make a single mechanism. Okay, I use them basically in theoretically and practically. Without them, I can't make it. So I highly recommend read that chapter very carefully. I think it is the first or second chapter in every theory of machines books. Okay, so make sure that you understand what is four bar mechanism theory and how does it works. Okay, so now I have told you. Now let's move to further onwards. Okay, one more thing I forgot. That's like this face. Click on add components. I forgot to add one volt. So select this one, click on sketch, and select this line, click on convert entities, exit the sketch. Okay, so it made it automatically, and we are done here nearly. Okay, I don't want to make a very complex one. Okay, so I'm going to make a simply one, but you can make it complexity as per your requirement. Okay, so click on mirror components, select this one, select this one, and this one, select this, click OK, and we have and I need to add two more. So first right click on it, right click on this one, uh, as you can see this one is opposite, so this is basically what I don't want. So if I right click and click on dissolve mirror components, and it will create a problem for me. I just want to simply dissolve this one, but I don't see any kind of option here. So let's see what I can do for it. I guess I have to dissolve features, and after that we will work out. Or press Ctrl Z. Simply right click on it, delete this one. I will press Ctrl and right click and drag it. Now I will try to do from with another method. Okay, so click on mirror components and not mirror pattern, mirror components. Sorry, mirror components. Select, delete. Select this one and this one. Click OK. Now what we are going to do is go to the mates. Just to know that I am making it first time. Okay, I doesn't have any kind of dimensions, anything else. I just saw the mechanism on Instagram and I like, hey, I can make it, and just I just start making it. I don't know any kind of designs of just I'm just making whatever comes in my mind. So sorry if you are not getting how I'm making it, because even I don't know how I just made random line and sketches. Okay, the character components. Okay, okay. The reason arises. The reason I got the error is because that the distance between them is huge. These are the basically two holes that basically need to be fixed here. So I will go here, rotate components. Okay, it is not rotating about right axis. Click OK. But guess what? I know the dimensions of it, so it will not be a big issue for me. I want to rotate it about. Okay, so basically I want to rotate about this y axis, but I don't know how to rotate it. So basically I want to rotate like this. Okay, so I'm facing issue with that. So I have left no choice like this face and this face. Now click on reverse direction, but then it will just comes up here and I don't want it. So let's see how to resolve this issue. I don't know what select axis should I select. So I don't know what axis should I select so that it can turn like this. Okay, I want to just flip it 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm currently thinking what can I do to flip it 180 degree. Mirror will not work for me. Mirror I'm getting error. What I can do? What can I do? What can I do? Hmm. One thing I can do is select this axis and select this axis. Make them coincide. Click OK. After that, I will rotate. Okay, it is not fully defined. How the hell it is fully defined now? So go to the mates. Okay. So right click on it. Click on delete first. Delete and rotate it. Rotate it like this. Click OK. After that, right click on it. Click on delete feature and delete this. Now we can make. I think we can make it now. Now I have some confidence. Yes. That. Dun 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 dun. I can make it. Dun 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 dun. Now if I try to do, yeah, it's working now. Yeah, it's not fully opening as you can see. You get interference, so it will open just up to here. But it is enough to see your toolbox opening up to here. Okay, it is not that bad, I think. And even it up to this distance, it is look good. And now here we have nothing. So for that, we are going to do some lazy work. That is our mirror components. So click on mirror components. Select this one. Now if I try to move it, yeah, it's working guys, it's working. It's happening guys. Now we have done up to this thing, up to this. Now let's give some coloring. And so what we can do is go to scenes, not appearances, okay? And go to the organic. Then we can go to the wood. Choose any wood as per your requirement, I guess. Polish ash will look good. This one, why it is not, I don't know why it's not picking this color. And for these, simply right click on it, just give color to one and all of them get the same color, because I just copied these part, okay, not to make them. So as you can see, I got this. And to do the animation stuff, what we can do is go to the motion study. Ah, I'm exhausted right now. Click OK, move upwards, go to frame, uh, go to time 5 seconds, and after that simply drag and here and go to time 8 seconds, and also move this one to 8 seconds and drag here. I don't know why it's show that in that way. So right click on it, click from so right click. So let's try to do the animation. So go to the motion study, and what we are going to do is move this time frame to 4 seconds. Okay, after that simply right click on your mouse, select this part and drag it and open it as per your requirement. So I think that's up to here is okay. And go here, click on playback mode recipient, go here, increase the FPS to 30 and click on calculate. So as you can see, the animation, it's working quite good. So right click on it, disable it, move it. So move it downward. So this is how it looks like after animation. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask in comments. And check out my other courses. There is one free course and other is a Solidworks animation and motion analysis course. You will learn a lot of things in that. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.